Today, more than ever, strategic supremacy depends on precision, complex intelligence. The idea is not to react, but to take the initiative and create superior means to gain the advantage. Elbit Systems has the solution that empowers you to do just that, with ingeniously devised special mission aircraft. With Elbit Systems Special Mission Aircraft, your mission is possible. Elbit Systems Special Mission Aircraft are equipped to handle the challenges of today's dense communications networks by precision scanning, locating, analyzing, and monitoring all communication transmissions within a tactical arena. With add-on innovations, ordinary aircraft are redesigned and re-equipped with leading-edge technological advances. Taking any conventional aircraft, Elbit transforms it into a titan by design, development, fabrication, and installation of an outstanding array of lightweight, compact elements, including mission management system, high resolutions and ultra-long-range multi-spectral electro-optical infrared, high-accuracy ELINT with analysis capabilities, long-range maritime surveillance radar, high-speed and extremely accurate COMINT, high-sensitivity self-defense systems, wideband satcom, and datalink with precision-guided munitions for rapid closing up the loop on acquired targets. Working with international governments and defense contractors, Elbit Systems can refine any platform to meet the unique requirements of special missions. Coordinating with technology partners to modify aircraft and integrate state-of-the-art mission equipment specific for each customer. A single Elbit Systems mission aircraft does the work of several platforms. It tracks, intercepts, measures, analyzes, classifies, locates, and monitors ground, airborne, and naval information, providing sensor-to-shooter solution in one platform, and shares that information with decision-makers. Elbit Systems Special Mission Aircraft, an affordable end-to-end operation approach to make your mission possible.